It is that time of the year when we start shopping for the ones we love. This year, instead of making a long list, I went around my kitchen and handpicked 10 things, all under $100, that I think would make a great gift for the foodie in your life. I own and use every single one of these items, and I believe they not only elevate the pleasure of cooking, but also solve everyday kitchen problems. I'll be sharing the prices of each item as of October 2024 when I'm filming this. My goal here is just to give you a ballpark idea of the cost, but keep in mind prices do change and there are often deals throughout the year. Let's kick things off with the OXO Good Grips Complete Grate Slice Set. This little gem is just $34.99, and let me tell you, it's a kitchen essential I use all the time. I think we all know that slicing vegetables, especially potatoes, can be super time consuming and tricky when you're using a knife. This mandolin makes it so much easier to get those perfectly uniform slices in a fraction of time. Take our potato stacks recipe, for example, where we layer thinly sliced potatoes in a muffin tin and bake them. Using a mandolin like this ensures the slices are perfectly even, which makes all the difference in how the potatoes cook. You'll get those beautifully layered, crispy edges without all the hassle. And it's not just for potatoes. The set comes with more than one surface. You've got a coarse and medium grater, plus a julienne slicer. Whether you're grating carrots, shredding cheese, or slicing cucumbers, this tool really does it all. And I've got to mention the safety factor. The protective food holder is a game changer. No more worrying about your fingers getting too close to the blade. I also love how thoughtfully it is designed. The non-slip base keeps it steady while you work, and once you're done, everything stores neatly right into the base. It's compact, takes up almost no space, and it just slips right into a shelf in my pantry. And when it's all done, cleanup is a breeze. Just toss everything into the dishwasher and you are good to go. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly gift at $34.99 that makes kitchen prep faster, easier, and way more fun, this OXO Grate Slice Set is a total kitchen must-have. Next, we got two digital thermometers. They're perfect for making sure your food is cooked to perfection. The first one is Thermometer TP16S Digital Meat Thermometer, which is just $21.99. This one is especially great for those long cooking times like roasting a turkey. Digital thermometer is foolproof, especially when you're cooking during the holiday season. If you've ever cooked turkey, you know it can go from moist to dry in just a few degrees, and this thermometer takes the guesswork out of it. You can insert the probe into the bird, set your target temperature, and it will alert you when it's done. It's super easy to use, has a long cord so you don't have to keep opening the oven, and the large display makes it easy to keep track of your cooking. Once the turkey hits the perfect temperature, it'll beep to let you know it's ready. For just $21.99, this is a great value, especially for cooking larger cuts of meat during the holiday season. The second thermometer is the Thermopen one, which is a bit more premium, but it's worth every penny for how fast and accurate it is. This thermometer gives you a reading in just 1 second, which is lightning fast. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or baking, it will tell you the temperature in no time. It's also incredibly accurate within half a degree and has a bright backlight that adjusts to the lighting, so it's easy to read no matter what. Whether you go for the budget-friendly Thermopro or the ultra-fast Thermopen 1, both of these thermometers are beautiful gifts for any foodie to help them feel confident in their daily cooking. Next up is the KitchenAid Variable Speed-Quartered Hand Blender, which comes in at $44.99. This is an ideal gift for someone who enjoys making creamy, silky soups on the regular. Now, let's be honest, you can use a blender to puree soups, but it's a bit of a hassle. You have to ladle boiling hot liquid into the blender in batches, which is not only time-consuming, but can also be pretty dangerous. With an Immersion Blender, you can blend your soup right in the pot. It's so much easier and safer. Just lower it in, blend, and you're done. This particular blender from KitchenAid is really easy to use. There's just one button, no complicated settings, and it gets the job done every single time. And while the blending arm is dishwasher safe, I personally prefer to hand wash it. But the packaging does say you can pop it in the dishwasher if you want a quick cleanup. I also love how versatile it is. It's perfect for soups, but also amazing for making mayonnaise and other sauces directly in its own blending jar. So this KitchenAid Immersion Blender is a reliable and versatile tool and a great gift for any cook who loves making soup and sauces with ease. Our next gift idea is a Dutch oven. At $70.99, large 6-quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven is an excellent gift idea for any foodie. Now, we all know that Dutch ovens are great, but they can also be quite the investment. I've been lucky enough to build a collection of famous French Dutch ovens like Le Creuset and Staub over the years, and they're beautiful, high-performing cookware. But if you're looking for something more on the affordable side without sacrificing quality, the Lodge is an excellent option. This 6-quart Dutch oven is perfect for everything from soups and stews to baking bread. You can start on the stove, finish it in the oven, and even store leftovers in the fridge all in one pot. In my experience, the Lodge Dutch oven performs just as well as the higher-end brands. The key is to take good care of it, like wash and immediately dry it after each use, and it should last you for years. There's no need to spend $400 or $500 when you get this quality for a fraction of the price. Not to mention, it is beautiful, durable, and versatile. Everything you want in a piece of cookware that will last you a lifetime. Our next item is OXO Herb Keeper. I think we can all agree that fresh herbs are a game changer in cooking, but keeping them fresh for long can be tricky. That's where this Herb Keeper comes in. Sold at $16.95, it's an affordable gift for anyone who loves using fresh herbs, especially those of us who grow their own. This handy Herb Keeper hydrates and protects herbs, keeping them fresh for longer. It's perfect for parsley, cilantro, rosemary, and more. All you have to do is to fill the bottom with water to keep the herbs hydrated, and the basket allows for 360-degree air circulation while the lid maintains humidity. I love the 2.8-quart version because it fits neatly in the door shelf of my fridge, but if you need something smaller or larger, these come in different sizes to fit your needs. And it is simple to use. The hinged basket opens wide so you can grab herbs without damaging their delicate leaves. In terms of keeping herbs fresh, it's a total win. I've had parsley and cilantro stay fresh at least double the time compared to placing them in a jar and covering them with a plastic wrap. For the best results, just remember to change the water every few days. Seriously, it saves you both time and money by reducing the amount of herbs that will wilt before you can even use them. Needless to say, this is a fantastic tool for anyone who loves cooking with fresh herbs. It keeps them fresh for longer, reduces waste, and it's a simple way to ensure you always have fresh herbs ready when you need them. Our next item, the Zwilling Fresh and Save Vacuum Sealer Machine, was easily the best purchase I made this year. At $79.99, it's a fantastic gift for anyone who loves to meal prep and keep their food fresh for longer. It is a part of the gifts under $100 category, but trust me, it feels like a premium tool. I'm featuring here the starter kit. Comes with everything you need: a rechargeable vacuum sealer, a large glass storage container, and some reusable vacuum sealer bags. While the bags are great for snacks and if you're into sous vide cooking, I personally love the glass containers for storing prepared meals. They're durable, reusable, and perfect for reducing plastic. Using it is super simple. Just place your food in the container, put the lid on, and place the end of the vacuum sealer on the valve to suck the air out. Once it's sealed, you can store it in the fridge and your food will stay fresh for much longer. I was so impressed by the starter kit that I ended up buying the whole glass container set in different sizes. They have been perfect for meal prep, leftovers, and keeping everything organized in the fridge. This is truly the perfect gift for anyone who is serious about meal prep or reducing food waste. I don't use it, but Zwilling even offers an app that helps track when the food is stored and when it will spoil using barcodes on each container. So if you're looking for a thoughtful gift that is truly impressive, this vacuum sealer machine is an absolute must. Next on the list is an electric spice grinder with two different options at two different price points. If you're buying a gift for someone who knows the magic of cooking with spices, this is a wonderful option. The first one I own is an old one that cost me less than $17, and it's been serving me wonderful for over 10 years. With the spice grinder, I can easily grind whole spices and enjoy the freshness of spices ground right before cooking. It is really simple to use. Just pop the whole spices in, press the button, and you're done. The aroma of freshly ground spices really makes a difference in really good cooking. And here's a quick tip. Instead of wiping it out between uses, I use kosher salt to clean the inside. Salt helps absorb the oils from the spices, and you can collect the salt in a jar for your own seasoned salt. If you have a bit more to spend, I also recommend the Krupp's Silent Vortex Coffee and Spice Grinder. It is $34.12 and does everything the cheaper model does, but it's quieter, and the best part, it has a removable bowl. That makes cleaning so much easier. You can just pop it out and rinse it under water or throw it in the dishwasher, which is super convenient. Whether you're going for the budget-friendly model or the Krupp's, an electric spice grinder is a perfect gift for anyone who loves cooking with fresh, flavorful spices. Next up is something that is both fun and useful, an apron. Again, I have two options for you in two different price points.
How do I look?
Look good.
Wearing a nice apron in the kitchen doesn't just protect your clothes, it also makes cooking feel more special and enjoyable. Plus, if you and your spouse like to cook together, matching aprons can really add to the experience. My husband and I love wearing ours when we cook. It just makes everything more fun. The good news is that there's so many options out there at different price points, colors, and styles. One of my favorites is this Apron Chef's apron, which is only $14.99 and comes in a variety of colors. My husband Dwight and I are fans of the green and cream color, but you have plenty of options to choose from. If you're looking to splurge a bit more, you can go for the wildly popular Hedley and Bennett aprons as well. Their prices range from $90 to $200, and they're known for being durable, easy to clean, and stylish. Whether you're going budget-friendly or investing in something more high-end, a good apron is always a great gift for anyone who loves spending time in the kitchen. My next idea, a yearly membership to an online cooking school, is not a tool in the kitchen per se, but it's the gift of learning. And again, there are two I personally love and highly recommend. The first one is America's Test Kitchen, which is $49.95 for a whole year. This membership offers over 14,000 science-backed recipes, most of which come with fun-to-watch how-to videos. Plus, you get access to 8,000 unbiased product reviews and all episodes of their popular TV shows. This is one membership I have kept for over 10 years now, and I've learned so much as I've honed my cooking skills and created recipes for foolproof living. The second one I've been loving is Masterclass. It's a place where you can learn from the best of the best in the field of cooking. Chefs like Thomas Keller, Gordon Ramsay, Alice Waters, and more. The classes are short and to the point, and they even come with printable handouts so you can keep the recipes even if you decide not to continue your membership. They offer different membership options depending on how many devices you want to log in from. But here's a tip. I recommend getting on their email list because they often run 50% off or buy one get one free offers throughout the year. The gift of learning is a fantastic gift for anyone wanting to learn and improve their skills, whether in the kitchen or beyond. The last item on the list is an electric knife sharpener. Whenever I hear someone say they don't enjoy cooking, I always wonder about the condition of their knives. Dull knives can really take the fun out of prepping, and that's why an electric knife sharpener is such a great investment and an ideal gift for anyone who loves to cook. Now, I'll be honest, the one I own was a gift I received from a close friend about 5 years ago, and it is almost $200. However, there are so many options out there that is a fraction of the price. I will include the links below to two of them I like that are less than $100 along with the one I use. Here are a few things to look for when getting an electric knife sharpener as a gift. 1. Versatility and compatibility. Check if the sharpener is compatible with the types of knives your friend owns. If you can't find out, at the minimum you want one that sharpens straight-edged knives and serrated knives. 2. Multiple sharpening stages. Choose a sharpener with multiple stages like coarse and fine settings to reshape dull blades, and then the polishing stage to give it a mirror finish. 3. Safety features. Non-slip feet or safety guard help keep the sharpener steady and protect your fingers, making sharpening safer and easier. There you have it, friends. That wraps up my top 10 kitchen gifts for foodies, all under $100. I hope you found some great ideas that will make your holiday shopping a little easier this year. If any of these caught your eye, be sure to check the links in the description below where I listed everything in detail. As I mentioned at the very beginning, each of these items is something I personally love and use regularly, and I know they will make fantastic gifts for anyone who enjoys cooking. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Blender. Hand blender. Speed corded hair.
You know, like that?
Fun shapes. Seriously?